Necessity is the mother of all invention, and we here at Lowtech stand for equity in computing. When I was working in my intern, which was related to solar technology, what I realized is incremental innovation counts for half of the world's inventions. So this is where we start off. We deal with stuff which is already there. We have a system which is based on an architecture which exists in the world, but no one is using it for the cause we are going to establish.
By surveying the market and rural schools around Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai, we were shocked to observe that 60% of the schools does not have adequate computer infrastructure. The sad part is the weaker section of Indian society does not know how to operate the computer for basic needs. At minimum, a computer costs around 11,000 rupees in the current Indian market. Our focus is to develop a computer at an affordable price without compromising on the functionality. We want to make a unique device which caters all the educational needs at affordable price. Our vision, long-term goal of our organization is to provide computer accessibility to all corners of our country. We see two types of affordable devices that have flourished the Indian market. One being the cell phones and the other are the tablets. These are portable devices. So why are we suggesting a device which is not portable or which is not trending in the country? The reason being the devices, the tablets and the cell phones are not perceived as learning devices. Even if the form factor for developing these devices are to cater the educational needs, the way people are using these devices are for entertainment purposes and multimedia purposes. We believe that a device is not just for entertainment but has a higher purpose. So how do we make our computer? What is the key component that we use to make this computer?
The thing is called a Raspberry Pi. What is a Raspberry Pi? What started off as a hobby project now has become one of the world's leading SoCs which are being deployed everywhere. It has a wide range of uses in the industry, as well as it is being used at home by several electronic enthusiasts. So what do? We are a pro bono system which tries to establish a new ecosystem.
Raspberry Pi has a Broadcom SoC which contains a CPU, GPU and RAM. The ARM7 CPU clocks at 700 MHz and video core GPU which outputs 24 GFLOPS and 512 MB RAM which is shared among them based on the requirement. We'll be using modified Raspbian OS which is robust enough to support all the basic functionalities. It even supports 1080p encoding and decoding. We provide programming tools for better computer education. Being an ARM7 processor, it is difficult to deploy all the packages that are available over the internet. So we will be operating our own server which hosts all those packages compiled to the target ARM7 architecture. The SIM module will be attached to the Pi so that GPRS can be accessed in rural areas. It has a RCA pin using which the Pi can be directly connected to TV who can't afford to buy a monitor. Keeping in view of launching in rural areas, we will be developing a case using FRP, which is dust proof. We will provide server and client based installations in schools similar to the one we have in DKC in library. Also, we provide support using SSH.
To talk about a business model, we assemble together the parts. We have already contacted providers for 15-inch LCD monitor, keyboard and mouse. Our computer costs Rs 5,100 each. To provide support for the schools, the cost for 10 clients along with the server installation costs Rs 63,000. Coming to the OS part, we keep on developing the OS with our collaborators. We keep compiling programs for the architecture. Why do we think that our product will stand out? Why do we think that this will work? We are a non-profit organization. We are working to provide computer facilities to all the sections of our country. We have spoken to schools. We have went to 12 schools, and of which 70% of the schools have agreed to buy the product if we are selling the product at the price point decided. We have spoken to the parents in Chennai, and they are willing to take our product. Our product is a more robust product than a traditional PC or a tablet. We will contact NGOs and take their help for logistic support.
Today, we are not creating a product. We are here to create an ecosystem. This is a perpetual process where a lot of amalgamation of similar technologies from around the world will help us fine-tune this product to meet India's needs. And by India, I mean people who are using computers for the first time and the rural populace who has still not ventured into this exciting journey of computation technology.